Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can enable sound effect on Tap Color Pro application. Sound effects can make the coloring process more immersive and enjoyable on Tap Color Pro. So if you want to turn on the sound effects on your Tap Color Pro app, then the first thing you want to do is to open the app on your mobile device. After opening up the Tap Color Pro app, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you can simply go and enable the sound effect option. After you enable the sound effect, you will then be able to hear music that can add to the relaxation of the coloring activity. So that is how you can easily turn on sound effect in Tap Color Pro. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.